Hi, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to create a drop-down list in Microsoft Word. So here I wanted to put a drop-down list here for my payment methods. And to do that, you'll have to first go to the top here. This is called the ribbon, and you should see a developer option. Now, if you don't, all you have to do is right-click on any of these and then click Customize the ribbon. From here on this side, look for developer. Just mark that and hit OK. Once you're done, go to Developer, and then on the Controls section, you'd see here, this is the drop-down list Content Control. Click on it, and then go to Properties. From here, we will put a title, what you can see as a title for this drop-down, and then just put, please select a payment method. Once that's done, you can go over down here and add whatever you need for your drop down. So I'll remove this first and I'll add cash. You can add as much as you want and then just hit OK. So once I click this arrow here, you should see all the drop down that you've added. Now, another thing that we can do is to make sure the one filling out the form cannot delete our drop-down list. So all you have to do is go to Properties again. Under Locking, you can tick this Content Control cannot be deleted and just click OK. After that, the next thing we need to do is go to Restrict Editing here. On your right-hand side, you would see these options. Go ahead and click on number 2. Allow only this type of editing in the document, and then choose Filling in Forms, and then click the number 3, Yes, Start Enforcing Protection. You can go ahead and put a password on it, and then when you're done, just click OK. From there, even if they go to the control section up here, they'll not be able to change the properties. And that's it. That's how you create a drop-down list in Microsoft Word.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.